Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a discount code to your Wix website or a coupon. Now I'm going to be showing you step by step. This is very quick and easy. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into Wix. Okay, just search for wix.com and you want to click on my sites in the top left. Okay, and you just need to find a website that you want to add discounts to. Now in the top left you want to click my sites or the name of your sites and then click on go to all my sites. Now this is the dashboard if you don't know it. Okay, now after that you want to select which site you want to add the discounts. Now I'm going to add discounts to this site. Click on select and edit sites. Now in the next page, what you guys need to do next, this is very easy. Just scroll down, okay, and you want to click on marketing. Okay, here you want to click on marketing, and if you scroll down you will find something called like discounts. Click on discounts and you can all like select automatic discounts, or you can just select coupons. Okay, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Now here it says once you add a coupon you will see it here. Now you need to click on a new coupon, and discount, it can be percentage or it can be for example $10 off of every product you see on our store, or 10% off every product you see. Like it's the same. You can also have like a free shipping coupon. Okay, if someone enters the coupon code, they will be offered free shipping. Now you can also select like buy X and get Y free, you know this. Now I'm going to select, for example, the percentage, which is the discount, as you can see, discount percentage, and the coupon name, for example, 10% off. And the coupon name, it can be the same. You can just copy this one and then paste it here. And the discount, I will add 10%. So you can do whatever you want here. So you can add more than 10% if you want, by the way. And where it says apply to, select here. And you can apply to all products inside your Wix. Okay, you can apply this to all products or a specific product if you want. I am going to select all products. Here it says apply once per order to the lowest priced item, or apply to each eligible item in the order. You can select which one you want. Here include subscriptions. Here it says customers will use this coupon for one-time purchases and for every recurring purchase. Now it depends. I'm going to leave it blank. I'm not going to check this. Here valid date, so how many days this coupon code is going to be usable. Okay, like you can set that. If you don't want, you can just if you don't set, you can just don't set an end date. Okay, it will be valid every time until you delete it or something like that. Here it says limit users. Limit the total number of users for this coupon. You can do that if you want, like the limit of people who are going to take advantage of this code. You can, for example, 10 customers, okay, 10 users. And here it says limit to one use per customer. If you want, you can limit to one use per customer. And after that, you want to click on create a coupon. As you can see, you have saved this option. Now you have successfully created a coupon, as you can see here, and it's active, as you can see. If you click on these three little dots, you can edit the coupon if you want. You can duplicate it. You can promote this. You can deactivate it if you don't like. So, like you changed your mind, you want to deactivate the coupon. Just come back to this page and click three little dots and then click deactivate, and a coupon is not going to be valid. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. See you.